How to change username on TikTok without waiting for 13 days. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app on your mobile. As you open TikTok app on your mobile, then you have to go down on the settings or profiles option that is located down below. Click on that. As you click on the settings option, then you have to go on the edit profile option that is located up front. As you click on that, then under the username option, by clicking on username option, you will be able to see your username. Now make any changes to username, and then it will see if this username is available or not. If it is available, then it will show this green icon of a tick. If this green icon appears, though, now you can change your username over here, and this is by clicking on save. This will change your username. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.